All right, so this video is about tips for creating a good resume. So what is an employer looking for in a resume? They're looking for your education. It's usually the first thing they look for. They want to know that you have the applicable major that they want, but they also want to know what your grades are, so they're going to look for your GPA. The next thing they usually look at is technical skills. Do you have the relevant skills necessary to do the job that they are hiring for? Work history, is it relevant? Do you have non-relevant work history? And then all the other stuff. In reality, the hard reality is employers are looking for ways to eliminate 80% of the resumes they have, not find the good 20%. So if you think about someone who's got 100 resumes sitting on their desk and they only need to really look at 20 people, the thing they're looking for is ways to get rid of your resume, not ways to keep it. So consistency, correctness, all of that stuff matters. So what employers want students to stop doing? Stop using MS Word's resume template. So I give students in my class a resume template that's really generic. They want you to use your own design, find something that looks really interesting to you, do a layout that you like, that you're comfortable with, make it look different than what Microsoft Word is going to provide you. Don't write your resume in first person. Everything is in third person, active voice. Use action verbs, right? Don't allow your resume to be more than one page. They don't like seeing lots of different pages. There really is no reason for it. Don't mix up first person and third person. Pick a tense, pick a voice. Generally speaking, you want to be in the third person and in past tense. You don't need an objective at the top of the resume anymore. So eliminate that. And don't exaggerate titles and responsibilities. If you're a lifeguard, don't write pool safety technician, right? Students want to often add personal details to their resume. They want to communicate that they have certain skills, like they're a hard worker. There are ways to do that without creating a section or writing in something in the skills section that says that you're a hard worker or that you get the job done. And so, for example, if you know that you always make deadlines and you're that type of person, maybe in one of the job opportunity or job experiences that you have, you write that you accomplish something ahead of schedule or something like that. And so that demonstrates that you do adhere to deadlines and you're good at that. Don't include personal details about yourself like your race, your religion, your mental status, number of kids that you might have. Never include a photograph of the resume, but do include personal projects such as computer builds, app development, product designs. But these are best on your web portfolio or on LinkedIn. So those are some tips for creating a good resume, and that's feedback from employers.